The main supply of a house is through a 2 ampere fuse. How many 50-watt bulbs can be used in the house at the normal voltage? Option number B, 8. In your city, electricity cost 40 paisa kilowatt hour. You pay for. Option number B, electric energy. A magnetic field line is used to find the direction of. Option number D, magnetic field. The main power supply of a house is through a 20 ampere fuse. When a 1500 watt heater is used in this house, how many 100 watt bulb can be used simultaneously? The supply is at 220 volt and the appliances are rated for 220 volt. Option number B, 29. A magnetic field line is used to find the direction of. Option number D, magnetic field. The magnetic field line inside a current carrying solenoid are. Option number A, along the axis and parallel to each other. A strong bar magnet is placed vertically above a horizontal wooden board. The magnetic lines of force will be. Option number D, in all planes around the magnet. Dash are generally made of pure tin or an alloy to tin with other metal like copper. Option number B, fuse wire. The most suitable material for making the core of electromagnet is. Option number A, soft iron. The north pole of earth magnet is in the. Option number A, geographical south. An electric fuse is used to prevent A, short circuit, B, overload. Option C, both A and B, short circuit and overload. Which of the given is not attracted by a magnet? Option C, brass. Overloading happens because. Option number D, any of these. Which of the given correctly describe the magnetic field near a long straight wire? Option number D, the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. The shape of Earth's magnetic field resembles that of an imaginary. Option number D, bar magnet. Which one of the following has its working based on electromagnetic induction? Option number D, transformer. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding magnetic field lines? Option number C, if magnetic field lines are parallel and equidistant, they represent zero field strength. The direction of current in the coil at one end of an electromagnet is clockwise. The end of the electromagnet will be. Option number C, south pole. The front face of a circular wire carrying current behave like a north pole. The direction of current in this face of the circular wire is. Option C, anti-clockwise. In an electric motor, the direction of current in the coil changes once in each. Option number C, half rotation. A magnetic field exerts no force on. Option number C, a stationary electric charge. A rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of induced current change once in each. Option C, half revolution. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit. Option C, increases heavily. Which one of the given statement is not true? Option number B, switches, fuse and circuit breakers should be placed in the neutral wire. A DC generator is based on the principle of. Option B, electromagnetic induction. The north pole of a long bar magnet was pushed slowly into a short solenoid connected to a galvanometer. The magnet was held stationary for a few seconds with the north pole in the middle of the solenoid and then withdrawn rapidly. The maximum deflection of the galvanometer was observed when the magnet was. Option number D, moving out of the solenoid. The maximum number of 40 watt tube lights connected in parallel which can safely be run from a 240 watt supply with a 5 ampere fuse is. Option number D, 30. The force experienced by current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is the largest when the angle between the conductor and the magnetic field is. Option number C, 90 degree. The frequency of direct current DC is. Option number A, 0 Hz. The device used for producing electric current is. Option number A, generator. Each one of the given charge will increase EMF in a simple generator except. Option C, increasing the size of the gap in which the armature turns. An electric generator converts. Option number D, mechanical energy into electrical energy. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is. Option C, producing induced current in a coil to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. Circuit breaker device which can be used in place of fuse in domestic electric wiring is called. Option number D, MCB. The frequency of alternating current AC supply in India is. Option B, 50 Hz. A 3-pin mains plug is fitted to the cable for a 1 kilowatt electric kettle to be used on a 250 volt AC supply. Which of the given statement is not correct? Option number B, a 30 ampere fuse is the most appropriate value to use. In normal use, a current of 3.5 ampere flow through a hair dryer. Choose a suitable fuse from the given. Option number B, 5A, मतलब ampere. An induced current is produced when a magnet is moved into a coil. The magnitude of induced current does not depend on. Option number C, the resistivity of the wire of the coil. An electric motor is a device which transforms. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी टू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी। A car headlamp of 48 watt works on the car battery of 12 volt. The correct fuse for the circuit of this car headlamp will be option A 5 ampere. The essential difference between an AC generator and a DC generator is that option number D AC generator has slip rings while the DC generator has a commutator. An MCB which cut off the electricity supply in case of short circuiting or overloading works on the option number C magnetic effect of current. A 1.25 kilowatt heater works on a 220 volt main supply. What current rating would a suitable fuse have? Option C 10 ampere. A TV set consume an electric power of 230 watts and run on 230 volt main supply. The correct fuse for the TV set is option number D 2 ampere. The back face of a circular loop of wire is found to be south magnetic pole. The direction of current in this face of circular loop of wire will be option B clockwise. The magnetic effect of current was discovered by option C Oersted. The magnetic field lines option number C don't cross one another. If the direction of current in a solenoid when viewed from a particular end is anti-clockwise, then this end of the solenoid will be option number C north pole. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current option number D is the same at all points. A magnet attracts ऑप्शन डी आयरन एंड स्टील। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय।